What's up, guys? I wanted to do a little review of this landing gear I picked up. It came in a little bag like this and a little box like this. What it is some landing gear made by Neewer. I got it off of eBay. It's just makes it so when you like landing in some tall grass or something and you don't want to mess up your gimbal, or you don't want to mess up you don't want to get the propellers in the high grass or anything. I got these things. It's pretty soft. They got little feet to go on the bottom so it won't move around. Made by 3M. That stuff is made by 3M. It's pretty simple. They got the legs. They have an L and an R, and they got shapes where you can't really mess it up, because on the bottom of the Mavic is L and an R. So let's put them on. Really give it some height. I'm going to turn it upside down for this part. It has little grooves. You just snap it into the existing landing gear. It bends out. I'm going to try not to drop my Mavic on the ground while doing this. And she's in. Let's see what she looks like now. How does it look? Good? Give it some height. And they say it only weighs like a couple of grams, so it's really not going to affect any flight time or anything, or any speed or anything like that. So I'm assuming I got these legs on the right side. Is it left as you look at it, or is it left as... Let's see what it looks like the other way. Wow, that looks stupid. I don't know, maybe. Would you rather it like that? Leave it in the comments which way you think is the correct way to put it on. I'm thinking this way. That looks like the best way to me. I could be wrong. I guess I'll try it out. I'll put these little feet on it. Keep it from sliding around. I'll put a link in the comments, but it's Neewer. You probably get it on Amazon. Here's the model number. Alright guys, well y'all have a good day. Thanks for checking out the video.